Hello from Gutterworks Manufacturing. This short video will provide you with the installation instructions for the three options that we manufacture right here to hold up your downspout extensions so that you can mow, weed eat, landscape, all that fun stuff. So we do also build and make the powder coated hinge. These come in 6 different colors. They'll last forever. They're not going to twist apart and fall apart. So we do have those available as well if you don't already have one. So everyone knows about Velcro, it seems like. We do manufacture that here. We also make it in a darker color. Black gutters are really popular these days, so this is an option. We already put that on here. So we did put this one more horizontal and this one more vertical, just so that it can provide that connection a little better, okay? So that part we already did. You will need a 1/4 inch drive, so it is magnetic, at least ours are. So if you need one of those for your install, you can find that on our website as well. So you already see how the Velcro goes on. Now we're going to do our universal side latch. So this comes in 14 different colors, only one side is painted. You can put it on either side of your downspout that's coming down the side of your house, whichever is more aesthetically pleasing to you. So Shane is going to show you how to put that on, and I'm just going to kind of hold stuff. So as you can see, he just kind of lines it up so that the end of the down falls into that slit that you see on that side latch. It's just very simple, and then that just flips around. And again, it can go on either side. So then the next option is our regular flip-up latch that we have. There's a little more catch on this one, but it works with the same concept with the notches. So again, that comes in 13 different colors as well, so we should have something that will match for you. So basically, Shane is just putting the lip of that latch into the groove and then lining it up that way. So that's really all that has to happen. There's not a scientific measurement or anything fancy about that. He's just lining it up so that the latch itself looks level and so that the groove is actually catching the spout so that it won't come apart, okay? So, and then again, if you need rid of that, that'll just flip up out of your way, and then your downspout is back down, and running water away from your foundation, very important. So again, we build and make all this stuff. There's your installation instructions for those 3 items. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call, and we hope you have a great day. Thanks for shopping at Gutterworks.